Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Today, we're diving into a serene winter landscape painting using simple acrylic paints and brushes. Here are the materials you'll need for today's project. You can also find this information in the description below. Pause here to gather these items and return when ready. Begin by squeezing a few drops of cerulean blue, turquoise blue, and titanium white onto the canvas. Blend these colors in horizontal strokes with a wet 2-inch flat brush to create a smooth, transitional background. Now let's add some clouds to our sky. Using a small flat brush, blend pale yellow into the middle of the canvas. For the upper portion, mix in some pink and even a touch of orange to create a vibrant sunset effect. Add a layer of yellow and some magenta in the upper right corner and a few strokes in the middle to deepen the impact. With the same yellow, softly blend it in the middle of the canvas to give a hazy look to our sky. When painting clouds, remember to use soft, overlapping strokes to build depth. Next, grab a dry, thick bristle flat brush and press upward to paint bush-like structures in the middle of our canvas. These will serve as the underlayer of our forest. Drawing various long, thin vertical lines to outline the tree trunks using a liner brush. These lines will guide us as we paint the trees. Switch to a fan brush to paint the tree tips. Lightly tap or drag the brush horizontally with short strokes, gradually widening them as you move down to form the triangular shape of a pine tree. Use lamp black for this step. Work from the top downward, allowing the branches to overlap slightly, but leaving gaps to create a natural look. When creating tree branches, avoid overloading your fan brush with paint to keep the edges crisp and defined. To add a wintry touch, load a liner brush with titanium white and gently dab it onto the branches to mimic snow accumulation. Mix a little cobalt blue with white for shadows and repeat the process on all the trees. For the ground, use thick white paint to depict freshly fallen snow, with cerulean blue for the shadows. As a final touch, refine the details in the trees and elsewhere. And there you have it, a peaceful winter forest scene. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more. Explore more painting techniques and tutorials at acrylicartsacademy.com. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.